But we're gonna go in here. I decided to stop, probably get some meat to put on the grill, probably some burger meat, or maybe a steak. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another video. Hope you guys can hear me okay. We are heading to Colorado Springs in this video on this load. It is Tuesday morning. Yesterday when we left off on the last video, we dropped off that pipe on Baton Rouge out there. We were on our way to our second stop. Well, we dropped that stop, of course. We fueled up. We drove to Archelaurus, Louisiana, about 100 miles or so, 120 miles. Deadhead. And picked up another load of pipe going to Colorado Springs. We drove through the night. I was letting the cameras charge, so sorry for not recording that, but we drove through the night and decided to, and got as far as Rome, Texas before our clock was expired. So we're in Rome, Texas this morning, guys, just outside of DFW. I didn't think I was gonna make it outside DFW. Decided that I saw that I could, so decided to let's go and hit it. So that's where we started this morning, guys, from Texas. We're gonna head up 287 north all the way through Amarillo, Texas. It's early morning. It's about 7 a.m., just a little after 7. We gotta definitely roll and take off. We got a full day of driving to make it all the way to Colorado Springs. Weather looks pretty good. They should have cleared off the road real good. So by the time we get up there, and that's the goal. And we already got our reload, but we'll talk about that later on in the video. So let's hit the road, guys. What's up, Wolfpack? Just a quick update. We are in Amarillo now. Man, it's been freaking windy. Just taking 287 north through here is what the exit you take through 40. It's been windy to 387 for the last hour or so, about 30-35 mile gust winds. It's been fighting all the way. MPG's been suffering badly. Going through this little part right here. Oh, crap talk. But just want to give you a quick update. I know this is a lot of road video because we're driving a lot. Just getting through, just got to get through here. Get through. We got to get to Colorado Springs, but just want to catch you guys up. That's where we at right now. I have about 3 hours on my clock before I got to take my 30-minute break, so we'll be stopping here shortly. We'll chat for a minute. I remember this bridge is the first time I came. I was like, it says 14.1, but I was like, ew, doesn't look like 14.1. Some people definitely missed it. They didn't miss it. Yeah, we'll be stopping and taking a break, and we'll chat a little bit. I've had a couple of guys ask me a couple of questions. I'll probably make a separate video about that topic anyway, but we'll chat about it a little bit. What's up, guys? I actually decided to stop at Walmart here of 87 North. It's right off the highway. Stopped here before. As you can see behind me, take advantage, show you guys the load. That's what we have. That's what we're loading. Easy pipe, white pipe. We got 2 belly wraps on each, just to kind of show you the strapping real quick before I go inside the store. 2 belly wraps on each, 3rd layer, and then 3 on top. So we have 5 straps on each stack. 2 stacks, about 25,000 pounds. That's it. Alternator pull, of course, definitely recommend, and super tight. As you guys can see, got the twists on them, which I said on the pipe, if you put them real tight, you really don't need to, but you can see, very tight. This is a big Walmart. The entrance is actually, to tell you, you have to go to the last entrance and loop around to their dock. I always come in the first one. Everybody does it. Everybody does it. But as you can see, there's several trucks parked behind me. But we're gonna go in here. I decided to stop, probably get some meat to put on the grill, probably some burger meat, or maybe a steak for the weekend, for the later in the week. The fridge is not too big. I am planning and thinking of buying an extra cooler fridge that I see on Trucking with Smith's channel. If you have, definitely you guys know him. So I'm thinking of getting that fridge, going back to that video, getting that link and checking it out. It seems like it's working great for him, but it's not that big or wide either. So I may check that in the future and let you guys know what I think about it. Not right now, but probably in a month or so. But let's go in here and get some food, because we need some food. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Fruit. Those mangoes is pretty good. I like mangoes. I didn't come with a plan, guys. I really didn't come with a plan. Yeah, I didn't come with a plan. So that's not always a good idea. But you guys try these. So this is what keeps me unhealthy. I gotta eat healthy-ish. But I love cheesecake. Man, I love cheesecake. But this is how you stop and buy groceries for the truck and don't spend money in the truck stop, guys. Stopping in Walmart, taking my 30-minute break. I'll probably take 45 minutes instead and get stuff for the truck. Just looking at bread here. Donuts. No donuts. I do need a little more yogurt. Right now I don't know yogurt. I like to eat a yogurt in the morning and work out with that. I would definitely need some cheese. It's not here.
trying to keep talking to you guys. I'm doing this. Strawberries. Nope, no strawberries this time. Fridge space is limited, so we try to keep it reasonable. And if we have to stop, multiple times, then we do. I don't know if I mentioned that on this video, but I am not going home this weekend. I think I have, but just in case, I'm not going home this weekend. Oh, you guys try these brats? I like brats. You guys try those? I like those. Yep. I think we're gonna take some, throw in the grill. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them for $4. I mean, you get 2 hot dogs a pallet, 2 for $3.33. They're not that healthy or that good. So, and I would get hot dog breaks and stuff, but I got plenty of regular sandwich bread. Use that, right? And I already got ketchup and sauce, so I don't need nothing else but that. Oh, I'm gonna get a different one. That's the beer hot Italian. Yeah, that's the point, hot Italian. So I guess I'm showing you, taking advantage and showing you how to buy food for your truck. Maybe that's what this video is all about. Stop at a Walmart or a Sam's, find one on your map, on your route, that you can safely park for the truck, in the back side of it or whatever, and go in and buy a little bit of food that fits in your fridge. Just make sure that you don't overbuy, because if you don't have a big fridge or an extra fridge like we used to have in the past, it's not gonna fit. So make sure you don't buy a lot of shit. Let's see what else. Burger meat. You wanna do burger meat? They don't have the little burger patties already made here, so they got ground meat. Don't want to go through that. Usually have the burger patties. If I bore you, I'll skip, go forward, and whatnot. I can buy a steak. But this is what you do. You buy a couple of things, and you may spend $40. You can spend $50 in the store. Oh, there's the burger meats. I know I feel. You can spend $50 in the store, but it's better than you can spend $50 in one day or in 2 days at a truck stop, and just to have one meal. Both those days or whatever. So it can get expensive, so definitely stop at the store. So I'm gonna grab a couple things. I'll catch you guys out on the way out. How about that? Yeah. All right, so that took about 20 minutes. Over time, 20-25 minutes. Double check, everything looks good. That's it, very quick. You go in, when it's just by yourself, it's kind of easier to pick what you're gonna eat and get on with it. Because I already have some food in the truck, so I can just find some extra things to have in the truck, just in case anything. And we're back in it, so just gonna organize that in the fridge real quick before we take off, and we'll get going. We'll get back to trucking. But that's super helpful, hopefully, for some of you guys coming in on how you stop and buy food and save money. It's by finding a Walmart you can park on, shopping center you can park on. Google map it ahead of time, maybe the night before, as you get used to it. I already know this road. I've been through here. We've been here twice before, so I already knew this was coming up. Wasn't sure if I was going to stop or not, but I saw it. I said, I need to take my 30. Let me just go in and grab a couple of things. And that's what I did. But the way you plan that, you get better at it. But it was, I don't know if I said how much it was $54.86. So rounded up $55, and I got food for several days on top of the food that I already have. So several days could be a whole week actually, but since I'm not going home this weekend, that'll extend over the weekend as well. So a little tip there for the rookies, for you guys, on how I do my shopping when I'm on the road, and this is how I do it. Quick shop, quick stop, go and going. So let me put this up, finish our break, get a little snack in my tummy, and hit the road. We got about 5 more hours to go.
Snack, let me see some. You are the wifey type, baby, you could be one. Let me change your life, I could show you many reasons, different seasons. Hop in my bag and I stay in it, hit from the back and I stay in it. He is not damn, don't play with her. She's not damn, don't play with her. I got a R-O-D, she got a P-S-C. Baby girl, you know you was made for me. Hop in my bag and I stay in it, hit from the back and I stay in it. He is not damn, don't play with her. She is not damn, don't play with her. I got a R-O-D, she got a P-S-C. Baby girl, you know you was made for me. Hopping away and I stay in it, I beat it up if I'm playing it. I bust it up, then laying it. Let's go again, you okay with it? I'm parked up, valeting it. Shoot my shot and I'm draining it. I'm Steph Curry, ain't playing this. I don't know what you cost, but I'm paying it. All options, I'm weighing it. If I'm going in, I'm staying in. A king bag, come laying it. Day and night, it's the way of life. I'll weigh you out, then take you out to the Waffle House for some steak and eggs. Pulling up, then we hopping out. Got you walking out with the wobble legs. Wait, girl, and I peeped you looking like a baddie, you a diva. Pretty face, caramel skin like a Leah. Saw that fatty poking from the back like Serena. So let me see some. Hop in my bag and I stay in it. Hit from the back and I stay in it. He's not damn, don't play with her. She's not damn, don't play with her. I got a
So I-25 from here, we're about an hour and 50 minutes, just short of 2 hours from the Love's truck stop that we want to get to, just south of Colorado Springs. And it's south, if you're wondering, it's south. The Love's is right there south of the Southwest area. When you if you're coming northbound going southbound, that's where that Love stop is. That's where we're gonna be spending the night. Our delivery tomorrow is not till about 9 a.m. The appointment's not till 9 a.m. I got that confirmation. First says 8 on our sheet, our confirmation, but I double checked and it was told that it's 9 a.m. 9 a.m. appointment time. Well, so this is the beginning of Raton Pass right here, guys. So our appointment, even though it said 9, it's any time after 7. So we might get there a little earlier tomorrow. Knock that out. We can get our reload and get out of here and go to Arizona.
She's not damn, don't play with her. She's not damn, don't play with her. I got a R-O-D, she got a P-S-C. Baby girl, you know you was made for me. Up in my bag and I stay in it.
Hope you guys can hear me. We're about to get to this Love's. I think I've been here before. Honestly, not sure. Yeah, so we're entrance to get here. Yeah, I think I've been here once before. Once or twice, not sure. But I've been here before. Yeah, I think I came here, but we didn't stay here. We just took a shower and kept going. And this Love's. It's not a big Love's. But according to Truck Path, it does not get full. Dude, you're late. I tell you, some of these guys don't fucking pay attention. Where you going, car? Your stop sounds like car behind you. may have seen one. I'm not sure. There's already trucks parked in a different spot. And outside here, so maybe no parking inside. I'm gonna have to park over there. Oh, I think I see one.
Turn left on North Elizabeth Street and then turn right at 730 feet.
Don't know, guys. Don't know. Well, I think I got an idea already. We'll make this happen. All right, guys, hope you guys can hear me. So I'm gonna back up a little bit. He says he's gonna unload us right out here, what you see on my left. Take all the straps off. Even the belly wraps, he says not worry about it. So I figure I'll give you a first person view. We got plenty of room to turn around, so we'll just straight here. Get unstrapped, get unloaded. All right, we'll be all set to go. So let's go ahead and take all the straps down. Y'all want to come help me out? Cool. Thank you. Appreciate all the help. Beautiful morning here in Colorado Springs. Look at those mountains. I don't know if you guys can see them. They relate as well on the cameras. But beautiful morning. Always lock your side box. I got 2 keys, but it's the easiest way. That's how I got to unlock, especially when we don't have the tarp. So yeah, look at that beautiful mountains. I miss the side. I miss the side during the spring, summer. Oh, forgot one thing. I like to set myself up. And yeah, excuse the mess in here, bro. Wolfpack, this is a mess. Since Ashley left, I have not cleaned it up. You guys probably noticed what I have right in there, which I have not used or talked about yet. Yeah, as you guys can see, I started using the bottom, not using the rub rail. Some of you guys complain, talk crap about using the rub rail. What is the way Melton teaches us? Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. That's the way we get taught initially. But either way works just fine. If you're coming in and you're being trained, use the rub rail, double wrap it. I have a video on that on my tips playlist. My tips playlist have a video on how to, Melton teaches us to do it. If you ask me, whoa, why you changed? Is it better? A little easier. Depends what I'm carrying. But I'll make sure everything's real tight though, because see, there is a danger. There's the cons of doing it that way. If you don't have your straps tight, super tight. Hope you guys can hear me with me on strapping this. But if it's not super tight, this comes loose. Let's say well like that, this can come off like that. If it comes off like that, you're not secured. So the only reason I'm okay putting them that way is not because I think it's any better or faster. It's because I know I'm gonna put them super tight with this pipe, which I've told you guys before. All right, so everything's loose. Put that away. And I'm gonna try to throw them all on that side. Ooh, thought somebody was going over. Because that's where my winder for the straps is at. So it is a chilly 25 degrees this morning. I think 24, 25. It was. Can't do that one. So we'll belly wraps. I'm gonna have to do it. Yeah, that way. Yeah, it's about 25 degrees this morning, so I have my layers, especially in my pants. I got my warmers on my pants, under my pants. I mean, I've been in worse than this for sure, but it is a little chilly. You have to come this way. Put you this way so I don't fall. And like I say, the only reason I came to Colorado this week, was because the weather was good, cloudy, no storms coming through or expected, and I can get in and out of this area very quickly. We'll talk about the reload in a little bit later in the video when we're done here. Yeah, I got this. That's my coil bag that I have out there. So it was freezing cold and I couldn't fold it. It's so stiff I couldn't fold it properly. A little tighter, wouldn't fit in the box. I have to get me another box for this trailer and put it on the other side. I don't have to, but I want to. Let's just put it that way. So you can see, I just got a method to my madness. Get everything loose. Wrong way. Either way. Get everything loose. And take all everything off. That's gonna have to go the other way. So I got everything out and on the side that I needed off the. Oh, I missed one. Looks like I missed one. You'll see. Right there. Looks like I missed losing one up. No, I did not. Did not miss it, so that means the top layer. Just watch your head when you go around. This means that top layer is crushing the strap. So I'm gonna grab all these. This side. The strap winder that I have, as you can see, sideways. So it goes long ways across along the truck. I can get the straps out of the way, like so. Get these. Get the straps out of the way, and they can start unloading me while I wind the straps. The other strap winder that goes this direction and you strap this way, you have to throw the straps behind you. So if you're alongside another trailer, tie spot, It means you have to leave it like all the strap on the floor. I've done it. It's not possible, the end of the world, but this makes it a little easier for me. All right, so I'm gonna take that, throw it out, and you guys see me do this part, so we're gonna speed these up. Fast motion right here.